Good morning, students. Welcome to General Science class. We were writing the notes, isn't it? I hope you have completed writing all the notes. Okay. There were 9 question answers. Did you complete it? Then take and open your notebook and let's revise once again. Okay. First one. What are synthetic materials? Name one. Open the notebook and see. Okay. What are synthetic materials? Name one. Okay. Synthetic materials are materials made by combining chemicals in factories. Example, plastic. Easy, no? Small question answers only I have given. See. And name 3 things that are used to make synthetic materials. Answer, coal, petroleum and plants. Okay. Third one. What is a plastic material? What is the answer for that? Any material that can be easily molded or made into different shape is a plastic material. Okay. Example, clay and rubber are natural plastic materials. Then fourth one, mention 3 properties that make the plastic so useful. Okay. Mention 3 properties that make the plastic so useful. Okay. First one, plastics do not get affected by chemicals, so they are used to store chemicals. Then second one, plastics are waterproof. They are used to make umbrellas, raincoat, etc. Then many plastic do not get do not get hot easily, so they are used to make the handles of utensils. Okay. Did you understand? Then fifth question you see, how is synthetic yarn made? Okay. Synthetic material is dissolved or melted to form a thick pasty liquid. This pasty liquid is then forced out through holes in a metal disc. The long thin fibers that come out of the hole are drawn together and cooled to form yarn. That is the answer for that. And now you see 6th question. Mention few disadvantages or bad qualities of synthetic fibers. Answer. Synthetic fibers burn very easily and stick to the skin. Then, synthetic fibers do not absorb moisture. Third one, they do not have enough air space, so the skin cannot breathe. Then, clothes made of some synthetic fibers shine in an ugly way. And the last point, they cling to the skin and can irritate the skin. Okay. Then 7th question, mention few advantages of synthetic fibers. Answer, synthetic fibers are cheaper than natural fibers. They stretch and then come back to their original size. It is easy to wash and dry. And synthetic fibers do not fade. And they last longer. And 8th question, mention the advantages of plastic. Plastics are cheap. They are light yet strong. They are durable. They can be made into any shape. They can make up the shortages of natural materials. And many kinds of plastic can be recycled. And 9th question, mention the disadvantages of plastic. Plastics are non-biodegradable, so they pollute the environment. Plastic choke up drains and which then overflow. Then plastic harm the animals if they eat them up. And burning plastic and the process of making plastics produce harmful gases that pollute the air. These are the 9 question answers. And by today and this weekend you have to study all these 9 question answers. Okay? 9 question answers. And then get ready for the annual exam. Students, I want to inform you that there will be our annual exam in the month of March. Only the third term portion will be included in that third term portion only. Okay, that is one good thing, a happy thing to remind you. Only the third term portion you have to learn for the annual exam. So prepare well, okay? Study nicely and write and get very good mark. And as usual, you know you have to clear the fees before the exam. So inform your parents to clear the fees this month itself, okay? Before March you have to clear the fees and avoid tension, okay? Do not have any tension at that time, and you students has to study nicely and inform your parents, okay, to clear the fees. Okay, so our annual exam will be there in the next month itself. Study well, okay, and study these question answers for today and by this weekend, okay, and complete it. And Monday we will start with a new lesson. Okay, thank you.